Good morning, student. Once again, welcome you to e-learning program of Modern English School Nevada. My dear students, what we have yet discussed, we have discussed about the civil disobedience movement, and there we notice that when Gandhi returned after participating in second round table conference, he was reluctant because no Indian leader were released from the jail, and that is why he once again launched the CDM, Civil Disobedience Movement. But this time he saw no participation of people. Let's see why the people were not interested to participate in CDM second time. For it is essential that we must understand that how people participated in first CDM, Civil Disobedience Movement, that Gandhi launched a student. Okay, first we take rich peasant. Okay, so rich peasant like Patidar of Gujarat and Jat of Uttar Pradesh है ना participated in the movement. They were the rich peasant who grew the commercial crops, but due to the economical depression, the price value of agricultural products fell down rapidly, and these rich peasants were not able to pay the revenue to the bettors. Okay, so they participated in the movement with the hope that it will help to reduce the revenue. Okay, since they were the commercial farmer students, and due to the economic depression there was a heavy blow to them. Okay, so they participated there. What Gandhi called up the movement without any resolution about the revenue, and that is why Gandhi, when launched the second time CDM, people were not interested in it. Okay, now let's see the poor peasant students. So they were the peasant who cultivate the land, taking from the landlord as a rent. Okay, so they were students also in mood that this year, due to the failure of crops and due to the economic depression, the rent must be guaranteed. Okay, and they students also, they also introduced no rent movement. Okay, no rent movement उसने लाया. But these poor peasants were not supported by Congress, because Congress students was not in mood to annoy the rich peasant. That is why these poor peasant during the second CDM show no interest. Now take the example of business classes, industrialist. My students, they were the active participant, and during the First World War, these industrialists made huge money by their trade and business. But after the First World War, as we have seen, the excise duty was increased, rupee dollar was sterling there, and that's created difficulty to this trader in trade, and that is why they were participating that the excise duty will reduce. Okay, but as we see, Gandhi students without any solution call of the movement. That is why these industrialists show no interest when it was launched second time. अब यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन भी पूछता है कि why industrialists not participated when CDM restarted. तो my dear students, you must know कि these industrialists recognize a prolonged disruption in business due to the movement, and growing the military activity students disturb the business also. But most of the important reason that they recognized there, that there was the growing influence of socialism. There was the growing influence of socialism on youth congress, and they were against the socialist students. Industrialists were against the socialist. What they recognize growing influence of socialism. Okay, socialism in youth congress, and that is why they show no interest when CDM launched second time. So far as mill worker students concerned, तो देखिए मिल वर्कर्स रेयरली पार्टिसिपेटेड इन CDM. Okay, the mill worker of Nagpur participated there. Okay, but as the students industrialists were the influential during the movement, they were not only active participant, they refused to trade with any British traders, but also students helped financially, and that is why Congress not supported the mill workers. They were also reluctant. If we say about the women participant, that was rare in this moment, because in non-cooperation movement women were not participated, but in this moment women participated. Okay, so if we see the participation of women there, so during the Dandi March, Gandhi organized a various rally to address the women. Okay, and due to that the students women show mass participation in the movement. They were hoping that they will get the political recognition, but they were also reluctant when Gandhi asked them to reside inside the home. Okay, so that we see students that caused the huge मीन्स ब्लो ऑफ सीडीएम. तो ये था कि कैसे लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया स्टूडेंट्स. ठीक है, अब आप इसमें ये देखो कि व्हाट